this person, Miss Rose Ann Itagas.
Yes,
Thank you for the gift packs. Sa nagbigay sa aming mga host. Thank you po. Ang ganayain, Rose Ann Itagas. Maraming salamat. And partner.
I think it's about time for the third set of awards.
Goodbye ako.
Candidates, please stay.
We are still having our company call. It's okay, it's okay. Because we should not get go anywhere else. Because right now we are having our third set of special awards.
Yes, so for our third set.
And for the third set of special awards, we will award the best in resort wear, the best in his personality, the best in formal wear, and the epitome of benevolence award.
Of course, this wouldn't be possible without our sponsors.
To award our first special award in the third set, I would like to call Ms. Ina Bautista, the Vice President for External Affairs, and Mr. Dar Francis Lagbay, the JPA third year representative. So let's not wait any longer. The best personality goes to We also won, I think, last night in the student council election.
Oh,
congratulations to you.
Alright. So who do you think won the Epitome of Benevolence Award? Please step forward.
So we will be aware of this epitome of the Benevolence Award. This is?
This was one of the outreach that they did. This Epitome of Benevolence Award was actually the one, they're recognizing the ones who really showed good. So congratulations.
And now for the third special award, the third set of special awards, this is the best in resort wear. I would like to call Miss again Rose Ann Itagas, the Vice President for Finance, and Aurora Lito, JPA Vice President for Academics. Again, we would like to thank the sponsors, Dr. Maninata and Andrea Representatives. And to announce the winners for the best in resort wear. Congratulations.
And of course, the last set of awards, the best informal wear. Awarded by Casey Thomas Jaya Cardoto.
And then Miss Juliana Brown Mayo and Mr. John Carlos.
For the best informal wear, 92.92. Number 7.
And for the Viva Award, we also
The best informal wear, candidate number 4, Sheila. Alright, so candidates.
Alright, candidates. On this end, we would like to all candidates to go downstairs, except for this candidate number 1, to for our next segment, the picture interpretation.
I'm wondering what picture
Right. The picture interpretation is as popular as it says.
Please go downstage. Not backstage.
Downstairs.
Downstairs. Downstairs ka lang.
I think downstairs are really downstairs.
Alright.
Except for this
Candidate number 1.
I think it's just this candidate number 1. You will be left on stage. Please go back.
Alright, so this segment is actually about interpretation.
Alright.
Alright, so picture interpretation. Every candidate is given 10 seconds to look at the picture and then interpret it based on your opinion. Of course, for 30 seconds. So you are given 30 seconds to answer or give your opinion about it.
Again, this is what the candidates will do. They will look at the picture, they will draw something on a wrist box, and then a picture will be shown at the screens, and then they will look at the picture only for 10 seconds, and they will take on its interpretation, and then give their opinion for 20 seconds. This picture interpretation is shocking you because in the SER JPI, this is Mr. JPI, is making so much more
Segment is Mr. NCR JPI.
Alright? This candidate number 1 is being the number of your picture. She picked the number 12.
Number 12,
Number
please.
12. You're only given 10 seconds to look at the picture.
10 seconds.
Alright, stop. Please do not this. And then give your opinion about the picture for 30 seconds.
Could you please turn down the music for the responsible for the sound? Thank you very much. First of all, I want to greet everyone here at the building. For me, that picture represents if that after a rain, that there will be a rainbow. Well, there will be always a rainbow, and for that will the challenges that we encounter, there will be corresponding happiness or treasure at the end of the line. That will be one thing.
I would like to call Mr. Candidate number 1. Mr. Candidate number 2. Please pick the Your number is 4. Picture number 4.
Picture number 4, please. Time is up.
You may now take your photo.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. The picture only says that we are all equal. No matter what race you belong, no matter what complexion you have, we are all perfect in God. Our next candidate, number 3.
Number 8.
Picture
He wants
number
to be
8,
like them,
please.
but he's not. He's different.
Let us all walk by faith, not by sight. Because in life, if there are problems, we should not think of that, but be positive enough and believe in God's grace. That will be
Sheila Marie Pumar.
Please pick the number.
That's the interpretation of that.
Repeat number
Walk
5.
in water with sandals.
Picture number 5.
Shows that men and women are equal.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Simple.
The picture depicts the equality of women and men. In all things, women and men are always equal. Nowadays, girls now can make all the works or the responsibilities of a man. And we should not be stand by those men because we know that we can make our dreams. And
Alright, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Please follow the number 4.
Calling our candidate number 5, Miss Myrtle Eunice Pastor. Alright, picture number 1.
Interpretation for 30 seconds.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Una sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat sa lahat ng sumasuporta sa akin. Sa pamilya ko, nandito ko po sa larawang ito. Ito po yung under the table na business, which is illegal po. So, kailangan po, hindi maganda na ipapakita natin dahil kaya po natin gawin sa magandang paraan, sa legal na paraan ang bawat business. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Now please come up on stage, candidate number 6.
Miss Anna. laughter and beauty. The picture represents unity and leadership. In the picture, there is a man who stands over the arrow who carried by the people. So if there will be no leader, there will be no follower. Alright, thank you very much.
Number 6. Now please come on the stage. Miss Canada, number 7. Picture number 3.
Picture number 3, please.
What I see on screen is a picture of decision making. We choose our roads, where to go, and it's our decision whether to take a good way or a wrong way. In life, there are many choices, and only us can answer what we want and what can bring us happiness and not other people.
It's picture number 2.
Time's up.
Please give me a
Lahat na gagawin natin, kailangan natin ng prayer. Because lahat ng kailangan natin gawin, nandiyan ang Diyos para sa pag-guide tayo sa lahat natin gagawin. Kailangan ka-rockstar.
Thank you very much. And now, please show for the boys.
Calling candidate number 1, Ray Sean G. Alright, picture number 15.
For me, the picture is of helping each and every one of us. Each and every one of us should help each other. We need to help one another in order to succeed. Although we cannot succeed individually, but if we work together, we can make a work together.
Calling candidate number 2. Alright, picture number 13, please. Time's up.
Salamat sa nasabi ng picture.
Hindi, okay naman.
Kapag itulungan ng bawat isa, makakaya natin ang lahat. Hindi kaya ng isang tao kung kayanin o gawin ng dalawang tao. Kapag nag-isa ang dalawang tao, magiging matagumpay ang lahat. Yun lang.
Mr. Candidate number 3.
Yes, candidate number 3, Aldrian Segura.
Picture is picture number 9. interpretation of 30 seconds.
A lot of us have different ideas, but we can't do it in action. So we only have our ideas, but we can make it on. We can't have an output because ideas cannot be done without the actions that we are looking for. So ideas we can't have ideas if we don't have the ideas or the output.
Alright, thank you very much. Candidate number 4, Alright, picture number 10.
Muli po magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Sa buhay ng tao, hindi nawawala ang mga problema. Pero lagi nating iisipin na kahit may problema tayo, ay nandyan si Lord para lumabay sa atin. Kaya kahit anong problema man na dumating, lagi lang tayong humiti, maging masaya tayo. Kahit meron pang darating bukas na hindi natin alam kung anong mangyayari.
Picture number 6.
Because of global warming, the Earth has now experienced many different disasters. Example, such as earthquakes, heavy rains due to climate change, and volcanic eruptions. So, because we people we're not doing our part in saving the Mother Earth. So, in order to save our Mother Earth,
Thank you very much.
Now, Mr. number 6.
Calling Mr. number 6.
Picture number 14.
Picture number 14.
Slow and steady.
First of all, I would like to greet everyone pleasant afternoon. For me, I interpret that picture as a journey to success. Even though you travel very slow, at least it's just like slowly but surely. At least you have success behind you and you've done everything for you to have it. Thank you.
Picture number 11. Alright, time's up.
First of all, good afternoon po sa lahat. Maraming salamat po. I interpreted the picture as love. Kasi even though nasa place sila where there's nowhere to go, still yung love is nandun. Thank you po.
all these